Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Mars ka newly launched City Paradise palette. I just used it today, like literally today I used it for this video and I've created this whole like eye to face makeup मैंने पूरा उस palette से किया है and I'm already obsessed with it. So without blabbering much, let's just get started with the video. Alright, so this is how the palette looks like. I have the variant Mumbai. I had to get Mumbai. Like when I first saw Mumbai and Delhi, I was like, no brainer, I'm getting this particular palette. And damn, the packaging is so beautiful. Okay, so this video is going to be more like a first impression sort of a video. So packaging wise, it's just 10 on 10. You can literally see the designing on top of the this thing and इसमें पूरा वो मुंबई का एसेंस एंड एस्थेटिक्स सब मिला के उन लोगों ने डिजाइनिंग करी हुई है हर एक पैलेट को. आई मीन it has got 6 variants in it: Kolkata, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So 6 variants and 6 of them are so beautiful. जो concept है, जो designing है, it's just hats off to the whole team for that. And when you open it, you have this thing, so I'll just remove it so that you can see the shades properly and just look how beautiful and colorful it is. I mean literally I was dying to get a colorful palette, so I was searching for one and then I came across this. I was like, I am taking this. I'm definitely buying this. यहाँ पे आपको 4 shimmery shades मिल जाते हैं. Then you have 5 matte shades. Absolutely brilliant color story because आप इससे कितने तरीके के आई मेकअप कर सकते हो यार. आप कलरफुल आई मेकअप कर सकते हो, आप even neutral tone eye makeup कर सकते हो. Then we have the face वाला part here with the blush, powder, highlighter and bronzer. The blush is going to suit every Indian skin tone because ना ही ये बहुत dark है और ना ही ये बहुत light है. And I already have it on so you can see it. Plus I have used the bronzer and highlighter, even the powder. So basically I have done this whole face makeup using this particular palette today and I was like impressed. Okay, I was absolutely mesmerized by the pigmentation of the eyeshadows. जो shades है ना यहाँ पे वो बिल्कुल भी chalky नहीं है, वो ये बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है एंड बहुत गुड क्वालिटी आई शेडोज है. इट्स एब्सोल्युटली नॉट गोइंग टू गिव यू एनी सॉर्ट ऑफ फॉल आउट्स. ओनली थिंग दैट आई डिडंट लाइक इज द हाईलाइटर. हाईलाइटर का काम होता है थोड़ा शाइनी बनाना, थोड़ा हाईलाइट कर देना. ये उसने मतलब उतना किया नहीं. सो दैट्स द ओनली कंप्लेन दैट द हाईलाइटर इज नॉट टॉप नॉच. अदरवाइज इसको छोड़ के बाकी सब perfect. Now guys, this palette retails for rupees 399 and I think paying 400 rupees, like almost 400 rupees for a whole makeup kit is a really good pricing for this palette. Plus this is going to be very travel friendly and all I can say is that if you haven't checked it out yet, you need to do that right now. So guys, अब वो घड़ी आ चुकी है जब आप इस आई शेडोज के swatches देखने वाले हो. So do not skip this part. Guys, the name of the shades are also so cute and aesthetic. I mean the first 3 shades that I'm going to swatch is your Sapne, Shikanji and Gateway of India. जिसमें से Shikanji is the shimmery shade, light blue shimmery shade. And then the next 3 is your Vada Pav, Jhakkas and Film City. जिसमें से Vada Pav and Jhakkas are your shimmery shades and Film City is kind of like the magenta pink sort of a color. And the last 3 shades are your Marine Drive, Barish and Local. जिसमें से Marine Drive is the gunmetal shimmery shade, whereas Barish and Local are your matte shades. These are very buttery soft and highly pigmented shades. Now guys, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful look using this palette only, so keep watching. So when it comes to create beautiful colorful eyes na, I'm always confused because I mean look at the colors. किसको छोड़ के किसको choose करोगे? So finally I settled on using the shade Sapne as my transition shade and then I blended it all out with the blending brush and उसके बाद I decided I should give it a smoky kind of an effect like outer corner में and for that I used the shade Local and oh my god, I have never seen such a beautiful black black shade guys. इतना pigmented है ये shade, इतना soft, I mean बहुत buttery and high quality है ये. The black is really amazing. Like I have seen a lot of black eyeshadows, but this one is just amazing and out of the world. Same goes for the shade Shikanji, which is the shimmery shade, and I was eyeing to use this and I did it, and I was so happy the way it turned out. I used my fingertips as well as the brush to show you that you don't really need a setting spray for the pigmentation. आप सिर्फ normal brush use करोगे, fingertips use करोगे, and the shades are going to be just absolutely gorgeous. They are going to look absolutely gorgeous, and then that was the final result. And now I'm going to finish off my face with the face wala part of this palette. So firstly I'm going to use the Cutting Chai, which is the bronzer. I mean, the names are so good. Oh my god, the thoughts that has gone behind making this palette is just outstanding, just outstanding. So the bronzer shade is supremely good, and this is my first time using a bronzer, and I always use a cream contour or my lipsticks as cream contour, but yeah, so I was really happy using a bronzer. Then I use the blush, which is the Director's Cut. It's highly pigmented as well. Only fault in this palette is the highlighter, and you can totally see it. I was struggling with it. I thought कि शायद makeup fix use कर लूँगी तो उसके बाद इसका pigmentation दिखेगा, but literally it did nothing at all. That's the only backdrop. Otherwise, the whole palette is just so good. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. Just look at the finished result, guys. I am absolutely a fan of this look. Also, I highly recommend this palette to all the beginners out there who don't want to invest in a lot of products as of now. Plus the beginner content creators, if you're searching for a all-in-one palette, then look no further because you have found your answer right over here. Definitely go and check it out. It's affordable, it's good quality, it's travel friendly, and it's just great. Okay, so yeah, that's all I had to say. So guys, if you had fun watching this video, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so that you're notified whenever I post a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. So yeah, bye, take care.